Welcome to another Formtitan video, and in this video we'll show you how to upsert using a push in Formtitan. So what I'll do is I'll get some fields that like full name and email, and then I'll get a submit button like this, and we'll set this up here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a hidden field, and we'll call this contact ID. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead now and do a get. So we'll say contact. Condition is going to be email in Salesforce matches the email in the form, then bring back data such as, I don't know, first name and then last name, and then we'll apply and finish. And then I'll tell you what, I'll get one more field because that's the field we're going to modify, and we'll call this one mobile. So go back into the get, edit, map fields, and then we'll call the mobile with mobile. Okay, so let's apply and finish, click save, and let's preview. Okay, let me just enable my hidden fields so you guys can see what's going on. Show hidden fields, and then uncheck this. Okay, so let's preview. Like, there's my hidden field, and this is everything here. Now let's choose one of the contacts. Let's choose Joe Bloggs here. Okay, we'll take Joe Bloggs' email. Now if I paste this, you can see it brings back the data, hasn't brought back the contact ID because we need to go ahead and map that. So Salesforce integration, in the get, we'll say bring back contact ID into contact ID. Apply and finish, save, let's refresh, paste it again, and boom, there we go. There's our contact ID. Now upsert means that if it's found a match, then you can either skip or you can either update it, or if it doesn't find a match, go ahead and create it. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to push, we're going to add an object, we're going to say push into contact, I'm going to say use for upsert, and action is going to be update. And here's the interesting part. If not found any match, what do you want to do? Do you want to skip the query altogether, so don't do anything? Or do you want them to go ahead and create if not found any match? And a match is going to be contact ID equals my contact ID hidden field. Right there. Okay, if it's found that, it's going to go ahead and update. If it's not found it, it's going to go ahead and create. So let's go ahead and map our fields. We'll say last name, first name, we'll do email, and then we'll do mobile. Like this. Okay, click apply and finish, click save. Now let's refresh. So again, I'll type this in, it's brought somebody back. That's okay. And now if we wanted to go ahead and get rid of that 1, 2, 3 and update, 1 second, let me just go ahead and get rid of that. PDF mapping needs to be switched off. Okay, so let's say if we refresh this now, because it's found something, I can get rid of blogs, get rid of 1, 2, 3 and update it, and it's going to go ahead and update this for me. So if we go to debug log here quickly, you can see there it's updated my contact. It's going to get rid of the 1, 2, 3 from blogs. There you go. Okay, very cool. But what if nothing actually exists, or it doesn't find anybody? Let's try an email. Let's say test@ftdemo.com. Okay, it's found nothing. So what's going to happen now? Well, now we can upsert. Okay, so we can create because it's not found anything. So we can just say Upsert contact, give them a random number, and then we'll go ahead and submit. Now, what this is going to do, it's not going to update anything, it's just going to create it because the contact ID has not been found. So if we go to integration logs, you can see it's now created it. So if we go into the record now, there it is, there's our Upsert contact that's been created. Okay, and that's the whole point of this functionality here, which is if not found any match, create or skip. Skip means it'll just skip the query and it won't do anything. Create is if it doesn't find the match, in our case is contact ID, then it will just create a new one. And this is how it's done.